Displex, simply better protected. Protect your mobile phone display with Displex Real Glass. Here we go. Remove the protective cover and, if necessary, the protective film of the device display. Get all necessary parts ready for use. Clean the device screen with the damp cleaning cloth. Then dry it with the microfiber cloth. Now stick the fixing strips onto the front side of the glass. Then carefully align the glass with the display edges. Keep the position of the glass and push the fixing strips in place. Now unfold the glass. If necessary, remove dust particles with the dust remover. Then pull off the backing film and fold back the glass onto the display. Now push the glass at the fixing strips. Then pull off the backing film and the fixing strips. And press on the glass completely. Finally, clean the glass with the microfiber cloth. Perfectly fitting protective glass. Now there's nothing to break. Best protection against scratches, bumps and breakage. Perfect. Displex, simply better protected.